Total branding is a feature of SynaMan that allows you to modify the look of your SynaMan to the theme of your website. So there are a couple prerequisites for using this feature. First, you need to have an enterprise edition of SynaMan. Second, it is important to have some basic HTML knowledge. The first step in using total branding is to create a template page on your website that SynaMan will use to style its interface. On this template page, you will want to customize the header and footer to your liking, but leave the body with the page header footer separator comment text. For demonstration purposes, I will be using a fictitious company called Solid Construction. As you can see here, I have my company's template page where my header and footer are customized to my liking. It is important to note that when rendering the final page, SynaMan will merge the contents of this template page with the data from SynaMan. Therefore, this template page must be available publicly on the internet. Once I've created my template page, I can switch back to my SynaMan admin console. Here, I'm going to click on Configuration and then Advanced Configuration. If I scroll down to the Total Branding section, I can put the URL for my template page in the Template URL field and click Save. There is also an option to enable auto updates, meaning that it will fetch this page periodically and update SynaMan with it. This is very useful if you'll be making frequent changes to your website. So now that I've saved my template, I can log out and see that my login page will now change to appear as my template page. Also, if I log in as a user or send a public or private link, it will also be styled accordingly. You can also further customize these pages by adding your own styles and images. All of these files are stored in your SynaMan Branding Resources folder. If you want to see images or styles before you want to replace them, open up the Source Inspector on your browser and find the image or style that you want replaced. If it is an image, you can replace the image in the Resources folder with your new image. Just make sure that you name the new image the same as the old image and then delete the old image. If it is a style, replace branded.css in the Resources folder with your new style, making sure that you name them the same. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, send an email to our support department at support@synametrics.com.